Hi all, today's topic is regression line. So for a problem 2, in a partially destroyed laboratory record, only the lines of regression and the variance of x are available. The regression equation, two set of equation are given in the question and the variance of x it is given in the question 9. Find the mean of x and y and find the variance of y. So first step, two regression equation given. Okay, so we will be finding in the previous video, we will be finding the regression equation. Now regression equation has been given. First step, that equation I have to rearrange in case of y on x and x on y. So first equation I will take as it is 8x minus 10y plus 66 equal to 0. I'm going to arrange this equation on y on x. Regression equation y on x. Y on x means I should write y equal to. So when I write it, this 10y goes to that side. So 10y equal to 8x plus 66. So y only I should write. Y is nothing but 8 by 10x plus 66 by 10. So now you check, it is y on x. The equation is y on x. So same way, another one more equation I will write it on x on y. X on y. You have doubt. How you have decided whether it is x on y or y on x. Okay. So I don't have choice at all. I have to take any one equation on x on y, another equation y on x. But how can I conclude whether I have taken is correct? So I will tell you that. Okay, after completing I will tell. There is one condition we have to cross check it. So now x on y means x equal to I have to write. So 40x equal to every this equation goes to that side. So 18y plus 214. So only x equal to. So x equal to 18 by 40y plus 214 by 40. So now it is on x on y. So after writing, I have to check, okay, whether my equation is correct. X on y and y on x, the corresponding equation, whether it's correct, I have to check it, cross check it. Okay, so then only I have to assume. Okay, before cross checking, the corresponding coefficient. Okay, the corresponding coefficient of x and the corresponding coefficient of y. Okay, so when it is y on x, the corresponding coefficient. Okay, y on x, the corresponding coefficient is b1. When it is x on y, the corresponding coefficient is b2. Okay, so this is b1 and this is b2. So the checking is nothing but b1 into b2. If it is less than 1, it is correct. Whatever we have taken y on x, the equation, and x on y, the equation is correct. We have to cross check it. Okay. So sometimes, so the second equation I'm taking y on x, first equation x on y, we will not be getting less than 1. So it is wrong way, opposite again you have to change and take it. Okay, so now I will check it. B1 into B2, whether it's less than 1, I have to check. So B1 is nothing but you take it separate and you write B1. We will be using in for other cases, variance and all, we will be using the same B1 and B2. So you have to show separate. Okay, B1 and B2 we know now. B1 into B2 you multiply it. So 8 by 10 into 18 by 40 is less than 1. So when I multiply it, 180 divided by 400, yes, is less than 1. So it is checked. So it is checked means it's our assumption is correct. Whatever we have assumption y on x is correct. And this equation x on y is correct. So after checking, I need to find R. R is nothing but correlation coefficient. R is nothing but correlation coefficient. So what is the formula means? You need not use your formula. Directly we have from this itself I can calculate it. Correlation coefficient. So the formula for R is nothing but plus or minus. Okay. So we will be taking only the positive. Regression always we will take a positive only. So root of B1 into B2 when I multiply it is called as the correlation coefficient. Only positive correlation coefficient I am going to take only the positive value. Negative value it is same as the positive value. So you can remove your negative symbol, only write a positive value. So B1 and B2 you multiply it. When I multiply it, so 8 by 10 into 18 by 40. Simplify this. So plus I'll be getting 4 into 3. So 16 divided by 8. So 16, 40, 400. So 16 into 9. So 9, 16 into 9. So yes, it's 4 into 3 divided by 20. So 400 is 20. So 4 into 3. So again 0.6. I'm getting the answer to be R to be I'm getting 0.6. Getting R 0.6. So completed. Now what is our question? It is asked. We have to do it. What is our question? Find the mean of x and mean of y. How can I find? Using these two equation given regressive equation only I can find. Like consider to be the equation, normal equation. Solve this both. You will be getting x, what is the value? Y, what is the value? The x value is nothing but mean of x. Y value is nothing but mean of y. That only I am going to do in this subdivision. So now what I'm going to do, take for the first subdivision, I'm going to both the equation, I'm going to take as it is. So 8x minus 10y equal plus 66 equal to 0. Another equation is 40x minus 18y equal to minus 214 equal to 0. So I have to solve the first equation, I have to make it a 40. So what I'm going to do, this first equation, this is second equation. First equation into 5 and my second equation into 1. So it is nothing but 40x minus 50y plus 310. See 330 equal to 0. Same way 40x minus 18y minus 214 equal to 0. So cancel it. So add both this, both the subtraction, 50 minus 18, 32. So 32 minus 32y. When it goes to the left hand side minus symbol, this both I have to add. So 5, 4, 4. So y I am getting to be 17. When I divide it, I am getting 17. Y 17. So substitute in any one of the equation. In this equation, I will substitute in equation 1. Equation 1, when I substitute it, I will be getting 8x equal to minus 66 plus 10 into y. So 17. So x is nothing but, so 104 divided by 8. This is 104 divided by 8. So it's nothing but 13. So x is nothing but 13. Okay, x also I got 13. Now the corresponding is the answer for a mean. So x bar is 13 and y bar is 17 is the mean of x and y. So completed. This is called mean. Second subdivision, one of the variance is given. Sigma x squared, it is given in the question to be sigma x squared. What is given in the question? Is given in the variance of x is given to be 9. Variance of, see here, the variance of x is given in the question to be 9. Variance of y only we need to calculate it. So when I calculate, variance of x is given to be 9. Variance means sigma squared. Okay. So now we need to find the variance of y. Okay. So y, when I calculate it, so it is nothing but, we know the formula for calculation. So we know that b1 divided by b2 equal to sigma y squared divided by sigma x squared. So I need to calculate what I need to calculate, that should be other side. So sigma y squared equal to sigma x square into b1 into b2. So multiply everything, we will get sigma x square. b1 already we know, it is nothing but sigma x squared is now only we know sigma x squared is 9. 9 into b1. b1 already we calculated 8 by 10. b2 is nothing but 18 by 40. So multiply and cancel it. It's 8 to 10 by 4, 1 by 4, 7 by 4 again when I cancel it. So sigma y squared I'm getting to be 16. So what it is? Variance of y is 16. So completed. Thank you.